This might end up being my new favorite knife. I'll show you why. Another official Boker Plus. Lanyard hole. Spacers are upgraded a little bit nicer than on the rest of the knives I've ordered so far. Different type of nut for the adjustment on the lock. And the blade, straight edge. More use out of that. Good looking logos. Not bad liner lock. Some people might say it's a little thin. I don't mind, holds well. The part that surprised me the most about this knife, it doesn't say in the store, as it is spring assisted. Again, see it wanting to not close. Again, it's a nice surprise. Good weight, good grip. Take some measurements for you. Overall, 22.5 centimeters. Exposed blade, 10 centimeters. Blade width, 2.5. It's decent for thickness. There we're looking at about 4 millimeters. Again, thumb studs have been upgraded a little bit from the past of these kinds of knives I've ordered. All in all, one knife I really like.